Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digital Way. Today in this tutorial, we will discuss about big data analytics, and after watching this video, you will get very good understanding about the big data analytics. So we will cover these points in this tutorial, like what is big data, what are the different sources of big data, what are the future scope of big data in our career. So let's start with our first slide. So first of all, what is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex data sets that cannot be easily managed or analyzed with traditional data processing tools. These data sets are characterized by their vast volume, high velocity, and wide variety, making them challenging to handle. Big data refers to large volume of data generated from various sources. So these sources are like Facebook, Instagram, call centers, weather forecasting, Amazon, YouTube. So these are some specific platforms. Many other platforms are also there by which we can get huge amount of data. Big data is a way to describe a huge amount of information that is too large and complex to be processed easily by regular computers. So to understand the big data, we will take one scenario, like or we can say it's a simple example by which you can understand big data in a very easy manner. So let's say you are in a school library that has millions of books. If you were asked to find information about a particular topic from all those books, so it would take a very long time, right? Now imagine that instead of one library you have thousands of library all over the world. So that was big data is like. So we can say this whole library, like in a thousands of countries, it can make a big data. Big data is made up of massive amount of information that come from all sort of places like the internet, sensors in devices, social media, or even online shopping websites. So regular computer cannot handle so much data easily. So special methods and tools are used to organize and analyze it. For example, like YouTube. So every time someone watches a video and like it, or also leave a comment on that particular video, so YouTube collect that information. Now imagine millions of people doing that every day. So YouTube collect huge amount of data and uses it to show you the kind of videos you may like. Second one is weather apps. Weather predictions are made by collecting data from thousands of places around the world, like temperature, wind speed, and humidity. And all the information is big data. So it helps us to predict tomorrow weather. In simple terms, big data refers to extremely large and complex data sets that cannot be easily managed or analyzed with traditional data processing tools. These data sets are characterized by their vast volume, high velocity, and wide variety, making them challenging to handle, but also incredibly valuable for extracting insights and making informed decisions. So now why big data is important. Now we will discuss some points by which we can understand that why big data is so much important for in current scenario. Big data is important because it helps us to understand and make sense of lot of information around us. We study it because it helps people, companies, and even government to make better decision by learning from the patterns in large amount of data. So here are some bullet points we will discuss by which we can understand why it is so much important. So first one is the making better choices. Second one is the solving problem faster. And third one is the creating new things. So making better choices, by this point, big data help us to make better decision by giving more information. For example, if you wanted to know the best time to buy a toy online, so store use big data to tell you when prices are low. So you can easily know about the prices and you can make yourself profitable by purchasing these products in a very low prices. Second one is the solving problems faster. By studying big data, companies can fix problems very quickly. If a company notices that customers are not happy with the product, they can see this from the data and improve it, creating new things. Big data help create new technology like smartwatches that can track your health or self-driving cars. Now, why big data is important? So here we are also going to take some examples by which can get more understanding, or we can say clear understanding about the big data. So here are some examples like online shopping, health apps, and traffic apps. So first one is the online shopping. So when you shop online and see recommendation like you might also like this. So this type of recommendation you can see many times on the online platforms. It's because the website uses big data to understand what other people bought and suggest item you may like. Second one is the health apps. Health app that track your steps, heart rate, or sleep use big data to help you understand your health and give tips for the improvements. So by taking the suggestion from this health tag, you can improve your health and you can get benefited by the big data analytics. Third point is traffic apps. So apps like Google Maps uses big data to show the fastest route by analyzing traffic patterns. So this traffic patterns data they are getting from lots of users those are driving on the roads. So in short, studying big data help us to discover patterns, solve problems, and make life easier in many ways. So now why big data could be a good career choice? The future of big data is very exciting and it can offer you many different career opportunities if you choose to study it later on. So if you are expert in big data, so you can get many jobs around you. It will help to companies grow. It is also used to solving big problems. So here we will consider first point. So many jobs. So big data is used in many different areas like businesses, hospitals, technologies, companies, and even a sports team. So there will be a lots of jobs where you can work with the big data. Second point is helping companies to grow. So big companies like Amazon, Google, Netflix uses big data to understand their customers and improve their services. By working with big data, you can help companies to grow and improve. Third point is solving big problems. So in the future, big data will help solve global issues like climate change, healthcare challenges, and improving transportation. If you like to solve problems working with big data, so it could be help make the world a better place. Now, career paths in big data. So now we will see what are the position you can hold in the companies if you are expert of the big data. We are going to discuss some positions in which you can apply if you are expert of the big data. First position is the data science scientist. This person uses big data to find patterns and trends, helping companies and make important decisions. Data analyst. A data analyst studies data to understand what is happening in a business and how it can be improved. Third one is the big data engineer. This person builds the system that collect, store, and process big data. They make sure that companies have the tools to use their data effectively. Fourth one is the sport analyst. If you are working for a sport team and using big data to help the coach understand how players perform. So by studying data, you can suggest the best strategy for winning the games. So these are some career paths and many other career paths are also there. If you are going to expertise in big data analytics, so it's a very good area. Now, why big data is very exciting for the future? So as technology grows, there will be even more data to analyze. Big data careers will be important in almost every industry, from creating better healthcare system to designing smart. As technology grow, there will be even more data to analyze. Big data careers will be important in almost every industry, from creating a better healthcare system to design smart cities. If you enjoy working with computers, solving problems, and helping people, a career in big data could be a great fit for you. So, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then also click on the like button. And for more update about the big data courses, you can subscribe our channel. On our channel, you will get many other courses. You can browse our playlist, and if you have any query regarding big data or any other courses, then you can write in comment section. Thank you.